avocado, arugula and green bean tartine. Prepare the ingredients. Cut 8 slices of wholemeal sourdough bread, top and tail 2 handfuls of green beans. Place the meat of 2 avocados in a bowl and mash with a fork. Slice 1 garlic clove. Heat a frying pan, place the sourdough slices in the pan and toast on both sides. Remove from the pan and set aside. Add half a cup of water to the pan, add the sliced garlic, add the beans, add half a teaspoon of caraway seeds. Stir until the water is absorbed and the beans are bright green. To serve, place the slices of sourdough on a board. Spread each slice with some avocado. Top with a leaf of arugula. Top with some cooked green beans. Sprinkle with sunflower seeds. Squeeze over some lemon juice. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. And serve.